Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to add another account on Facebook. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now tap on the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. Scroll all the way down until you see the Logout option and tap on it. Confirm your decision by selecting Logout again. Do not worry, this will not remove your account. It just signs you out temporarily. Once you are logged out, you will see the login screen. If you already have another account saved, just tap on it to log in. If you want to add a new one, tap on Log into another account. Enter the mobile number or email and the password for that account. After logging in, your new account will be saved for future use. Now you can easily switch between accounts. Just go to the menu, scroll down, tap Log Out, and select the account you want to use. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.